Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this eyeshadow look that you see here today. Today I'm getting ready for church, so I wanted to go with something a little more neutral. And before you guys mention it, or if you don't notice, I'm not wearing any mascara today because I ran out and I need to go get a new one. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. And again, I wanted to take the time to thank all of my new subscribers, all the people that comment and like my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I really look forward to making more videos for you guys. So if you guys like this look, go ahead and stay tuned for the tutorial. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.